Hello everyone, welcome to one another video. In today's video, we would be touching upon, like literally touching upon, a very important, let's say, topic or a thought that I have in my mind, and I would like to share with you, talk through to you. If you are a traveler, if you travel often, then this is something which you can relate very well. It's going to be more of a chatty video, so I have my infused water along with which I'll be sipping as I talk through to you about this. You may have different opinions, so definitely let me know at the end of the video and watch this video till the end to know where we agree and where we do not. Alright, so let's get started. So, have you observed that anytime you are on a trip, you have gone somewhere, you might fall into either of this category? And what I'm talking about, there is a set of people who, if they have gone to a particular place, they just want to see everything, every possible thing of that place in that limited time that they have. So for example, if they have came for 2 days, उस 2 दिन में they want to just rush around everywhere, run around literally everywhere and see everything, every possible thing, whether they are so much into those kind of places or not, that doesn't matter, but they just want to see every possible thing of that place in just that limited time that they have. So बाकी दिन में छोड़ो, but at least in these days when they are on a trip, they are behaving like they want to be 500% productive. They just want to do so much, ऑल पॉसिबल थिंग कि पूरी पैसा वसूली करनी है, सब कुछ दिखा दो जो भी है, सब कुछ बता दो इस जगह के बारे में इन दैट लिमिटेड टाइम फ्रेम दैट दे हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस दिस और आर यू वन अमंग दैट? So let me share about myself. I am not one of those person, and here through this video what I want to convey is why I suggest you also to not fall into this bucket. You don't need to be so productive in your travel days. You can be unproductive. You can choose to be, like, I would highly suggest that please be unproductive during your travel days and go at a pace which works for you. Go at a pace where you can really experience everything about that place. नहीं तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है वहाँ जाने का. I guarantee, and if you are a frequent traveler or even if you are sort of a traveler and if you have done this bhaga dodi kind of a trip, I guarantee that if you think, or if I come and ask you what all you know about that place, how was the experience, you don't have the depth. You would hardly even remember. You would even have by now forgotten the names about all the places that you visited, isn't it? So allow your travels to be unproductive. Allow your travels to be paced as per the rhythm of your experience. I'm not saying कि कुछ भी मत करो. I'm not saying, I mean, we obviously are so excited and we don't even need to be pushed to do things when we are on a trip, right? We automatically get up early. We automatically get ready. We get into doing so many things effortlessly. All I'm trying to say is don't just rush around doing a tick to the places that you just want to take back and say that you visited every nooks and corner of that particular place or a destination. You don't need to do that. ऐसे घूम के भी क्या मतलब? There is no point in rushing around. At least let your travel not be a race against anyone. You don't have to get into any kind of a rat race here. So at least here, exit the checklist completion race. किसी के साथ कोई रेस नहीं लगानी है. बस go as per your rhythm. I think I've used this pace and rhythm words way too many times already. All you need to do is to whichever place you have gone, see what that place has to offer and shortlist things which you can do well in the limited time that you have there. If you've gone for 4 days, just see what best you can do in 4 days. Best का मतलब ये नहीं है everything to be accommodated. Best का मतलब ये है कि what interests you as per what that place has to offer, what aligns with your primary interest. Primary objective should be to experience whichever place you have gone to with depth, not really in terms of width. Like ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत कुछ करना है, जो भी करना है गहराइयों से करना है, जो भी करना है मीनिंग के साथ करना है. I hope this is making sense. For example, if you've gone in a particular place, and if you're an adventure junkie kind of a person, adventure is something which gives you maximum happiness, excitement, adrenaline rush, then choose that first. Do that thing as your first thing, or maybe those first top 5, 10 things. And if you're someone who is a beach bum, just wants to lay down at a beach, not really move around much, then just do that. Read book, have coffee, have some nice food. Another interesting thing is, if there is no plan, then that's also a great plan. You can just go to a particular place and not really have any particular plan for that, maybe for a few days, whatever it is. So it's not required that you always have an itinerary to do. You always have a checklist to do when you have gone on a trip. The whole idea of travel, the whole real way to travel is just let yourself be in that place and connect the way you can best possible connect to. If you're someone who loves to talk to strangers, then do that. If you're someone who likes exploring chota local shops and trying out local food, then do that. So there is no fixed formula, there is no this ideal itinerary concept, and you should at least never be traveling just to say that I went to that particular place, come back and post pictures about it. Or you should never be bothered about, I go back and people ask how many places you visited in that place and you have an entire long list to show. No, you should not be traveling for these reasons. मतलब ऐसे घूम के कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. You will be killing the real essence of travel, and don't do that. So I don't know how many of you and how much to what all I have said in this video you all agree to it. I would definitely love to know, so do let me know in the comment section down below. This is all I had to say, and my last message would be still the same, that this is not a race. Remember that. Just go with your pace. It's not a race. Enjoy your travel, make the most of your travel, expand your life's experience by seeing it in different way. I mean, it's a different place, different people, different culture. There is so many new ways that you can see your own life. Your travel is for you to experience first, and everything being sold to you comes later, comes at the last. It's nice to capture memories, it's nice to have those cinematic shots, but it's just for you. It's just for you. If you are someone, if that kind of person, if you are someone who loves to do, then do that. If you are someone who you can even go on a trip and not even have a single clue about it, you can be on a travel and not click a single picture, and that's also a great trip. You don't have to prove anyone that you have gone on a particular place or maybe you went to 50 places, blah blah blah. Get out, chuck this all, get out of this. Because this is what I believe, that travel is a beautiful way to expand your life's experience. So why not to do with an intention which is meaningful to you and not to anyone else, right? Alright guys, this is all I had to say. I encourage all of you to travel as much you can and create a lot of meaningful memories for yourself. And until we meet in one another video, do take great care of yourself. Bye-bye.